Thank you po mga kapatid. Okay. For you to understand matiko yung last battle sa Nobay and Sailing, read chapter 1 of Great Controversy, please. Okay, in your home, review the Great Controversy chapter 1. Okay? Para po makita po ang picture po ng Nobay and Sailing. Okay? Kung gaano po katindi po yan. Okay ha? Sabi doon, partial fulfillment yung destruction of Jerusalem sa pagdating ng Panginoon. Okay? So pag-aralan natin. Kaya po, bakit inuuna ni Mrs. White yung destruction of Jerusalem? Chapter 1. Meron pong reason. Ipinakita ng Panginoon kung gaano kahirap yung situation na yun.
Hindi ba kinakain niya ng anak niya? Diba?
Yes. Chapter 1 on Great Controversy. Thus, they may bring the children up with simple, healthful habits. I see the necessity of making haste to get all things ready for what? For the crisis. Sabi ni Ms. White, again and again, the Lord has instructed that our people are to take their families away from the cities into the country where they can raise their own provision. For in the future, the problem of buying and selling will be one. Will be what? A very serious one. Hindi ko alam po, ma'am eh. Hindi ko alam po, lugar na yun, nakita ko lang eh. Ganda yun. Sana ko, no?
Ganda po dyan.
Ang ganda yun, wait. You know? Parang DRT eh.
Sa Palawan, may ganyan din.
Balikan natin yun. Okay. Yan, parang DRT, ano?
Opo, maganda po dyan.
Actually, na-inlove ako sa place ni Kepo ay sinama ko sa slide. Kung dyan po tayo mga kapatid ko, ang sarap siguro, ano?
Ayan eh, ano?
Ang ganda, oh.
Ganyan talaga doon sa Palawan.
Argente, kung napunta ka sa falls sa DRT, mag-enjoy ka.
Oh?
Ang ganda doon.
Wow.
May cave na may falls sa loob.
Maraming ganyan sa Palawan.
Yan, oh, from Palawan, mga kapatid din, oh.
Opo, maraming ganyan po nakita namin ngayon.
Ang ganda, ano? Huwag na yan, okay. Okay. Sige, balikan natin daw. Okay, buying and selling will be what? A very serious one. Kaya po ay, again and again, may ulit, para po ay may inculcate sa mind. God has always given men warning of coming judgments. Those who had faith in His message for their time and who acted out their faith in obedience to His commandments escaped the judgment that fell upon the disobedient and unbelieving. The word came to Noah, come down and all the house into the ark. For thee have I seen righteous before me. Noah obeyed and was saved. The message came to Lot, up, get you out of this place, for the Lord will destroy the city. Genesis chapter 7 verses 1, 19, 14. Lot placed himself under the guardianship of the heavenly messengers and was saved. So Christ's disciples were given warning of the destruction of Jerusalem. Those who watched for the sign of the coming ruin and fled from the city escaped the destruction. So now, we are given warning of Christ's second coming and of the destruction to fall upon the world. Those who heed the warning will be what?
Saved.
Sagot pong tanong? Sakto ba?
Sakto po.
Yes. Nag-gets mo mga ko? I hope clear mo sa atin dito.
Obedience talaga, obedience.
Obedience. Kaya sabi ni Ms. White, How to Living, page 9, paragraph 5, we should now begin to heed the instruction given us over and over again. Get out of the cities into rural districts where the houses are not crowded closely together and where you will be free from the interference of enemies. Kaya po, dapat po ay wala pong Sunday givers. Ito nga yung mga kapatid eh. Ito po yung niisip kong dilemma. There are some of our friends, Seventh Adventists, mayroong husband and wife that is Seventh Adventist. They will bring it in the country. Okay, expect the worst. Nagets mo ating ibig sabihin ko.
Opo. Magiging burden. Para magiging burden.
Kaya po pag-pray mo ninyo mga ating ko. Maraming pong umiyak mga ating ko. Betrayed by friends and relatives. A man false shall be day of his own household. Kapag meron po sa ating pamilya mga ating ko hindi converted,
Nako.
sumama dahil natakot, hindi naintindihan kung ano po yung conversion ng Panginoon. Sila po magiging kalaban natin sa tayo. And those, meron po tayong isang kapatid, isang babae. Active po yun sa messenger po ng TVTM. Meron kasi kaming group chat sa TVTM. Para po lahat sa viewers yun. Para po mag-guide namin every now and then, bibigyan po namin ng updates. Kinausap ko yung babae nito. Sabi niya, Brother Maiton, itong dilemma mo ngayon. Very active po sa group chat, nagbibigay naman ng message. Itong burden ko yung Brother Maiton. My husband is not a Seventh-day Adventist. Gusto ko pong pumunta ng country, hindi ako mapag-Bisaya. Kasi hindi Adventist ang asawa ko. Nakita niyo pong burden?
Yes.
That's why we need to pray for each other. Yes, that's yes. Hindi natin alam ngayon ang burden, but when we already at the time, yan po ang mabigat na ito. Hindi pa yung pananakot, ha? We're just giving the reality. Alam mo, Matin, bakit ganito ako magsita ngayon? Because for me, I see it. We're almost right there.
Amen.
I see, Matin ko, ang tindi ngayon ng movements.